want to mention is a mass deployment. So I also prepare the demo on what you need to do and how you can set up Intune. So let's get started. This is an Intune Admin Center. We select Android app. We'll add a new Android app. Select Manage Google Play Store app. Now we need to connect our Intune with Google Play. For this purpose, on another browser window, I enter my Google Play account. It's simple like that. After this, I need to repeat this exercise again, and here we go. Now we can search inside Google Play. So let's type Microsoft Warehouse, and select the app. Click the sync button. We need to refresh the page. Okay, here we go. We have an application here. Nice. So now we need to assign our app to the users. So we do assignment. For the demo purpose, I assign it to all users and all devices. Okay, and click save. Then I need to repeat the same exercise for Windows. So I click Add button, select Microsoft Store App New, select Warehouse Management, yep, select, click Select button, then we click Next. I need to select assignment, create. So now we create the app. Now we need to do the same exercise for iOS. We'll create a new app. Select iOS Store app. Okay. Select Microsoft Warehouse Manage. Okay, it's fine like this. Select, click Next. Okay, we assign user, create. Now we need to set up configuration. We want to deliver our connection JSON to our device. For this purpose, we need create a new configuration policy for Android Enterprise. Select for all types and select our application here. Click Next. Now you can see we can see this configuration JSON configuration key. So I'm copying a configuration JSON what I have. Just insert here, and I'm clicking Next button. Okay. I make assignments for all user again. You can see this is our connection JSON. Then I repeat the same exercise for iOS as well. I select Warehouse Management application. We can on iOS is slightly different. We need to also put the configuration key. We know it. We can enter the string. We put our connection JSON here as a configuration value. Okay. We click in Save. Click Next. Sorry. We assign to the all users. Clicking Next. Create. And we done for iOS. You can see now we have apps, and we need to do this for Windows. For Windows, it's slightly different. We need to create a new policy for Windows 10, and it should be template policy. We need to select we selecting custom, select custom policy, provide some meaningful name here. Okay, add a new configuration here. So let's put our name, connections JSON. All of this value and the example of this is available on our documentation, so you can simplify it on Microsoft Learn. All these values is available to you, so only what you need to have is your own configuration connection JSON. We proceed clicking next, 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 next. Okay, here we go. We have deployed app and configuration to all devices. This is a brand new Windows machine what I set up recently. What I'm doing now, I am installing Intune company portal app. I just open Windows Microsoft Store, search for company portal. Okay, it's opening. I click get. It starts downloading. It's downloading. Should be fast, I hope. Yeah, it's fast. Okay, installing. Now we can open it. And now we need to enter our user. In our case, it's Adele. So let me copy this. Okay, sort. So what I'm doing now, I'm enrolling my Windows machine. It's not related to the WMA for now. It's just a typical enrollment of device. So we just need to wait for a few moments, and we're good. So we're clicking done. We're waiting for some time. Okay. I also need to enter my credentials once again. Click connect here. Okay. Okay, here we go. So we need to enter our password. We copy password, and I'm inserting password. And yes, it takes a while. So okay, got it. We're good. So we fully enrolled our device. We click next, and we're done. Actually, we can close this app, but to speed up, I go to the settings and click sync button, and it's forced to get the latest and greatest configuration from Intune. Then I click start menu. I can see WMA. WMA already have a connection. I click it connect. I use a broker authentication, so I use company Intune portal as a broker. And you can see I'm logged in without entering neither username nor password. So that's it. Thank you for your attention.